Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm a registered dental hygienist. If you've reached this video, you probably have a young child and your pediatrician has now recommended that they see a dentist. This doesn't have to be a stressful time for you, so we're going to give you a couple tips to make this a positive experience. So I guess kind of keeping in mind the goal of the appointment is a great thing to do. It's really important because it's nice to set them up with a dental home, so making it a place where it's comfortable for them to go throughout their lifetime so that they can always have a positive dental experience and actually like going to the dentist. It's also a good time for the dentist to detect any sort of early cavities to try and intervene that. And then it's a good time for us to kind of discuss home care for your child's teeth as well. And then we can also check for proper eruption of the teeth. So kind of getting them set up with this appointment, it's a really great idea if you pick up any kind of books or movies. Your library is usually a great place for this, also YouTube. Especially if it has any of their favorite characters, that tends to work really well. Things you'll want to avoid would be to try not to use any sort of scary words. You don't want to use the word pain, hurt, or shot. Even when these are used positively, like don't worry, you're not going to get a shot, it tends to scare the child, and we don't even want to enter those words into their minds. So just try and avoid that altogether. Trying to keep everything as positive as possible, letting them know just how much fun it's going to be, how they'll get a new toothbrush at the end, and then most dental offices have a prize box or a treasure. That gets kids really excited about coming. A few other things that you can do would be to have them take a tour of the office. You can come in a few days or even a week earlier and have them just kind of come and tour the entire office, and that way when they come they're a little more familiar with the environment, kind of de-stresses them a little bit. They could also observe a friend or family member. If it's a younger child that they're observing, that tends to work a lot better. Also, scheduling the appointment's really important. It's really tempting to do this after nap time, things like this, but really kids tend to do better at early morning appointments, so if that is possible, that should help as well. If there's any paperwork that needs to be filled out prior to the appointment, that helps to decrease any kind of waiting time in the lobby. But don't worry, if on the day of the appointment things aren't going well and they're just not wanting to be there at that time, you can always reschedule. Go by the child, let them kind of dictate the appointment. You can always bring them back on another day, and sometimes if it's not going well and they do come back on another day, they're really excited and when they come in and they're jumping into the chair. So don't worry, I hope all these tips help you, and we look forward to seeing you in the future. Bye.